In this video, we will walk through the trial and enrollment process for Poly Cloud Services. The Poly Cloud Services provides access to various features and capabilities that will enhance your Poly device experience. Device management, as well as utilization and analytics, are both additional services available to our customers through our cloud services. Amazon Alexa for Business is also enabled for customers through the Poly Cloud in partnership with Amazon. Now, in order to gain access to the Poly Cloud services, you must either receive a license with your device purchase, or for existing customers with Poly devices, you may request access through the trial link as shown here in the video. This link is available for customers both with or without an existing cloud environment wishing to enable any of the device features mentioned earlier. Now, if you've already received the license with your device order, you do not need to fill out this form and you may proceed to the next step. Here in this form, I've already filled out my information, whereby the information marked as required is filled in. The more information provided in this form, the quicker the request can be processed. Once your request has been processed, you will receive an email from the license admin containing your license file. Here, we'll open up our license file. And taking note of the license activation key, we'll go ahead and copy this for use later. And then going through the options, as we are a new customer, we'll go ahead and click in to open up a new account. From this page, we will follow the instructions through each step to create our account. It's important to use the email address that the account license was sent to for this field. Now that we've created our account, we are going to be looking for an email to confirm . Here we see the request to verify our address, and we now come into the place to enter our license key. Pasting this in and clicking continue, we will finish the license process. Here we can see that our trial license has been identified, and we will check to agree and create our last step. Once the account has been activated, we will be returned to the login screen to use our new account. We've now successfully enabled our license and trial to the Poly Cloud services.